I'm getting locked in this room with just my phone. No laptop, no monitors, no portable charger. And I can't leave until I make $1,000 trading. $998 balance with $0 profit. We can't get any food delivery, no bathroom breaks without punishment. It's just me, my phone, and the markets. Let's see if we could do this. We literally are stuck here in this entire prison, this room. We're just starting 4:42 p.m. Let's see how long it takes. I don't think it should take long. I think we'll be over with this quick. So it's been about an hour, guys. I'm already freaking tired. I'm just here laying on the floor because we're getting tired looking at the charts already. We're mostly waiting for Asia's session to cook up. Gonna take advantage of that. I think USD JPY is looking pretty nice. I think I'm gonna hop in a nice little long right here, maybe. Oh yeah, that's TP smash, first trade. Had to walk around a little bit. Back was hurting, laying on the floor. So we won that trade. First trade ended up being a winner. You can see USD JPY, nice little short. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Sticking to what I know the best. Nice little short, maybe. This won't take so long. First trade, already a dub. Nice little 7% gain. I'll take it, I'll take it. Let's, stretch the legs, stretch the muscles, and see what the next trade holds for us. About to scan the market again. You can see that was a nice textbook setup. Let's see what happens. This shit is gonna be easy. It's looking good so far. Shit. I'm predicting 4 hours max. It's been a little over an hour since we started, y'all. I'm getting bored, getting a little stressed. Just in here, I'm fucking starving. Can't even use the fucking bathroom. Fuck, I might have to take that punishment, I don't know, guys. Already an hour, it's feeling tough. We need to do this shit quick. Getting tiring, y'all. Almost approaching hour 2 right now. And the freaking markets are barely moving. We're on the 1 minute chart. And we're consolidating like crazy. We're getting no movement on the freaking 1 minute chart. All right, guys, so TP got hit. Balance looking at 1,146, looking pretty good. This is turning out pretty easy so far. It's been almost 3 hours now, but at this rate, maybe it'll only take 3 more hours and I should be out of here. Let's see. Looking good though. Yo, what's going on, bro? Why is it going straight down? Most of my progress is just like that off of one trade. It's gonna be harder than I thought, for sure. 4 hours in and we're only up freaking $70 profit. I'm pretty no, $65 profit, even less. It's taking way longer than I expected. We're not even close. Alright guys, so it's been 7 hours. I'm mad tired. It was harder than I expected. We're up $192 so far. Still have $801 to go. As you can see, we took 3 trades, lost 1 of them. We got a far way to go. This is way harder than I expected. Still haven't hopped in a fucking trade. It's been 9 hours now. 9 hours of straight staring at the freaking little candlesticks on my phone. My eyes are burning and probably red right now, but my battery's getting pretty low, 56%. I'm kind of getting worried. I have to go on low battery mode. But 9 hours and we're still not even freaking halfway. Fuck it, man. I'm gonna take this trade, bro. 9 hours. Oh, fuck it. I gotta do something. Fuck. Oh my goodness. I'm down 83, bro. Fucking profit. Bro, what the fuck is my problem? I'm getting desperate right now. I'm taking impatient trades. I have no choice. I have to take things slow. If not, we're gonna be here forever. Goodness, guys. It's been 10 hours, guys. almost 11 now. But we're in that 10 hour now, 10th hour. The 10th of the hour. I'm fucking losing my mind, guys. Like, almost $300, basically 29%, but we still have fucking 700 and something dollars to go. At the rate we're going right now, we're gonna be stuck here for like 14 more fucking hours or something, man. Fuck. I'm hungry as fuck. But I can't leave, I can't order nothing. I made that rule for myself. And the setup has to hit, it's looking good. Perfect setup. I'm risking big. If this hits, we're basically halfway there. We gotta risk big. So guys, that's another winner right there. $170 profit. 60%, we're doing good. $100 more to go. Damn, bro, I could low-key enter and force this trade right here. I don't know. Could enter short here. This is a nice level. It's coming back. This could be the lower high, but there's no confirmation yet. No. I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm not gonna force it. I'm gonna wait for that confirmation. So, it's the 14th hour, hour 14. Still no trades. I'm waiting for a clean setup, being patient. Fuck. I'm starving, guys, whatever. I'm used to fasting though. I've fasted 48 hours before. So it's nothing I can't do. All right, this is actually the level I was looking for. This is the setup, I'm taking it. Feeling confident about this one. And I'm not over risking, I'm not gonna risk more than I need to. So, trade close, 178 profit. I'm kinda getting that second win right now. Feeling good. Probably gonna take 2 more trades and we could beat this. I'm not trying to freaking stay here any longer. I need to freaking go outside, get some fresh air, eat. Yo, that's fucking TP, boys. Yes, fucking sir, boy. 963, baby. That's 1 more trade, one more. 1 fucking trade and we win this. Oh yeah, what is this? Hour freaking, I lost track of freaking time. Hour 16 now. It's almost time to go home, guys. Oh. I feel like a prisoner being released, freaking on good behavior right now. I feel amazing. Yes, sir. All right, guys. This is the 17th hour. It's been an hour. This is the setup. This is what I've been waiting for. Let's see how much we have left. I think we only need like 50 more profit. I'm not gonna over risk. I'm only gonna risk like $70. Just let's pass this shit, man. This is the setup right here for sure. I'm going to enter in on this short. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. We're not even at TP yet. We're almost there. Phone's lagging 5%. Fuck. We can't die before we pass this. Just need a couple more bucks, come on. Oh my, now's not the time for my phone to lag. $1,000, yes! I'm closing this shit, I'm closing. We did it! 17 hours and I'm free, boy. Woo! We fucking did it, oh my goodness. I can't fucking believe it. Yo, that woke me up a little bit, I can't fucking believe it. Shit, man. Wow, bro. It's actually daytime now. I'm dead tired. We did this freaking starting from, like, it was already turning dark. Wow, freedom at last. Oh, it was just 17 hours, nothing, just me, my phone, and trying to make $1,000. And now we're fucking free. Yes! My back hurts, my eyes hurt, bro. Like, I'm literally rocking at 3% battery right now, and we barely passed the challenge by $15. People, you know, they automatically assume trading is just easy money, but it's not. It took me, you know, they think it's get rich overnight. It took me 17 hours to make $1,000, starting off with $1,000. That's about like $58 per hour. Trading is not just, oh, you're gonna get rich overnight, you're gonna hop into that one trade and then boom, you're rich, you're set for life. No, This shit takes time, it takes patience, it takes discipline. You have to take the right trades. I was over trading like how I don't usually trade, but I was making sure I was risking the same amount, almost the same amount each trade. I wasn't over risking like I made the mistake last challenge, and we blew it off because of that. This challenge, it wasn't just about the money. It was more about, you know, stripping away all my tools, my trading setup, literally everything, my whole workspace, and see if I could still do this, see if I could still strive under that pressure. And I did it. I proved myself right. See if I could bank this. Oh, shit, I don't want to dirty this shirt. My jump shot broke. Takeaway you could take from this challenge watching this video is that I took about like 14 trades, lost 3 of them, but it was really like 3 trades that put me up big because I waited for that right setup, that perfect moment. I took a good R to R trade and it ended up paying big. So it just shows you why, you know, quality over quantity every single time. So would I do all of this again? Hell the fuck no. 17 hours staring at my phone, locked in that damn room. I almost blasted my freaking good Jonas, but we're free. I'm not doing this shit again. Y'all better like and subscribe for what I just did for y'all. This was a crazy challenge, 17 hours, we're free at last. It's time to look for the next challenge. So if you guys have any thoughts, any ideas, drop them down below in the comments. But yeah, if you mess with the content, you learn something, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.